All right, language explorers. So let's look at this Sunday's preposition. So against. Against, yeah. In opposition, whether physically or otherwise. So they are against him. Yeah. He went against their rules. She thinks they are against her. It was against the wall. It's the wall. It is against the wall, leaning on the wall. I am against going there. I don't like the idea. Yeah. It was against them all. He, she, they thought I was against it, but I wasn't. I was in favour of it. I was not against it. I was not against it. Yeah. It is against the wall. Here's the wall. It's leaning against the wall. Yeah. The books are opposite the door. The books are against the door. Against. Against the wall. Yeah, against. Opposite the road. We walked against. Oh, okay. Right. All right. Okay, right. We walked. Okay. He is against to them. So he is against to talking with them. Yeah, he does not want to talk to them. Yeah, no thank you. We walked closely against the wall. So we stuck closely against the wall. Yeah. If they are not careful, he will be against them. If you are not careful, you will make him against you. He will turn against you. He will turn against you. On your side, then suddenly he'll turn against you. Yeah. Yeah. In time, people might turn against one another. Yeah. Things might happen. Yeah. He went against society, the rules in society. Yeah, he went against society's rules. Yeah. How can they be against it? It is such a good idea. How can they be against it? It is such a good idea. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, so look, so he is against them. Yeah. How cool is that? So, can you use against in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on Udemy, or YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. Yeah. And when you search for Adrian Nanchev, you can find me on Udemy too. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Let's keep exploring.